Ever feel like your brain is a browser with 37 tabs open, and you don't even know where the music is coming from? Yeah, same. Welcome to life in the 21st century. Constant notifications, never-ending to-do lists, and that inner voice that won't shut up.
But don't worry, today we're talking about something super cool, super helpful, and not boring. Mindfulness-based therapy.
So what is mindfulness-based therapy anyway? Imagine if therapy and meditation had a chill baby. That's mindfulness-based therapy. It's all about learning to be present in the moment, without judgment. It blends ancient mindfulness practices, think, breathing, awareness, gentle observation, with modern psychology tools to help you deal with stress, anxiety, depression, and more. It helps you stop getting yanked around by your thoughts like a kite in a hurricane. But wait, why is mindfulness helpful? Let's break it down. Your brain loves to time travel. It rewinds to the past. Why did I say that in 2012? Or fast forwards to the future. What if everything goes horribly wrong? But mindfulness anchors you to the now. It teaches you to pause, breathe, and notice what's actually happening, without freaking out or judging yourself. Instead of, oh no, I'm anxious again, you learn to go, I notice I'm feeling anxious. Let's breathe through it. Section 3. Tips and tricks to start using it in real life. Okay, so how do you actually do it? Don't worry, I got you. Tip 1. The 5-4-3-2-1 grounding game. Feel a panic attack coming? Use your senses to ground yourself. 5 things you can see. 4 things you can feel. 3 things you can hear. 2 things you can smell. 1 thing you can taste. It's like pressing Control, Alt-Delete on your anxious brain. Tip 2. 60-second mindful breathing. No need to sit on a mountaintop for hours. Just stop. Inhale slowly. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Do this for 60 seconds. That's it. It calms your nervous system and gives your thoughts a mini nap. Tip 3. Mindful eating. Ever eaten an entire bag of chips and then thought, where'd they go? Let's change that. Try eating 1 bite of food slowly. Notice the flavor, the texture, the sound. You'll feel more satisfied and more present. Tip 4. Turn chores into chill time. Doing the dishes. Be present with the warm water and the smell of soap. Vacuuming. Listen to the hum. Feel the rhythm. You don't need more time for mindfulness. You just need to notice what you're already doing. Tip 5. The phone pause. Before you grab your phone in the morning, pause. Take 3 deep breaths. Stretch. Look out the window. It's a tiny habit with a huge effect on your day. Section 4. The therapy part. In a mindfulness-based therapy session, your therapist helps you slow down. You'll learn to observe your thoughts and feelings like clouds passing in the sky, not like hurricanes that carry you away. Over time, you stop reacting to every thought and start responding calmly instead. Section 5. Final thoughts. So whether you're struggling with anxiety, burnout, or just that classic modern brain chaos, mindfulness-based therapy helps you find peace in the present. Start small, breathe, notice. You don't need to change your life. You just need to show up for it.
Like this video? Hit like, subscribe, and pass it on to someone who could use a little calm. Until next time, just breathe.